Wood price is $50 per ton. Charcoal price is $700 per ton. If you have a lot of wood, don't throw it. It is processed into charcoal. No electricity, no smoke. Let's get started.